In a really positive way, it's been kind of shocking. We're used to other co-op programs and internship programs with other universities, so we have a general idea of the skills that other courses would give us, but the intelligence that the first years have, even after just 1 year of education, has been really staggering. Since the start of the ISE course, we've had over 35 individual residencies in EDI. So that was starting with the first cohort of students in Residency 1, all the way up to now with Residency 5 today.
I'm working on a hand for the humanoid robotic market.
I'm working on a swarm robotics testbed here. So we have about 1,000 robots and we're doing different experiments and running different tasks on them.
So I'm working with an autonomous mobile robot with AI in dynamic environments.
We're trying to train a robot arm with the hand on it to pick up cables and plug them in.
I'm here in Catalyst, and a lot of the projects are taking place here. This is where we do customer-facing projects, and they're all across the company in different business units. So we've industrial, automotive, we've healthcare, aerospace. Since we could spread them out, we've gotten feedback from engineers in different industries, different business units, and they've been very impressed. One of our ISE students, Daniel, he's involved in the humanoid robotics project that we have. It's relatively new, and within, he joined 3 weeks in, and he got it connected on the ROS system that they have inside.
The type of hardware we're using here is quite new. Sometimes manuals are incomplete, sometimes the drivers change, the firmware changes, so it's a very dynamic setup.
It was super efficient and a lot more accurate than trying to, line it up in separate systems. So a huge time saver.
I think ISE has prepared me best in kind of mainly the project-based learning that we do. So kind of understanding ourselves, what the requirements are for what we need to do, and then that kind of tracks into this type of work.
We did a really good module on AI, so being able to kind of apply what I've learned in the classroom about those AI policies onto the robotic policies we're doing now is great.
The mix between what you would learn in a theoretical sense in the classroom and then very quickly getting to apply it in residency. So there's the positive feedback loop of gaining the knowledge and getting to use it straight away, I found very rewarding.
I definitely recommend companies to join the ISE program. We've seen, the great success across the company, and even this year we've taken 10 Residency 5 students with us because we've been convinced of the talent pool that is being generated from this course, and we need the top talent in order to reach our company goals, and this course definitely has that in spades.